Now, one of the main things to understand when you are programming is to differentiate between text and numbers. Now, as far as Java is concerned, anything between these double quotes is text. Now, whether it's words or even if we had to put in a number inside there. For example, if I had to delete this text and put in the number 5. Now, the number 5, even though we as humans, we can understand that this is a number, Java still sees this as text. If we want to display a number in a text box, then we have to put it without the double quotes. Now, how do we know that Java differentiates between numbers and text? We can do this by doing a calculation using that number. Let's firstly delete the second line so we can focus on the first line. So if I had to put in 5 plus 7, for example, and compile this and run it, didn't run the first time, what I get is 12. So what actually happened is, rather than displaying the 5, the plus and the 7, Java has done the calculation for me and outputted 12. You can try that out with all the mathematical functions like plus, minus, times and divide, which we will try shortly. But now if I had to take this and place it between double quotes like this, and I compile my code and run it again, you'll see a totally different scenario emerging. Alright, so instead of doing the actual calculation, Java has outputted the text verbatim, word for word as it is, 5 plus 7 as is. In fact, it will be a similar scenario if we had to wrap each item, the 5 as well as the 7, in double quotes. Again, Java recognizes these as text, not numbers, but this is going to produce an unusual result. Now 5 plus 7 is equal to 57. That's not correct. What exactly happened here? What happened is Java recognized the 5 and the 7 as text and used the plus sign to concatenate the two words that it thought these were. So the plus sign, when it comes to text, it does serve a purpose. It has a function when it comes to working with text, and that is it concatenates or joins two strings of text. Now let's try that with some real text and see what happens. So Tom plus Sawyer once we run it, we see the output is Tom Sawyer. So it's actually joined the two words. So this is how you join two words in Java, by using the plus sign. The plus sign serves to join strings of text. Now in Java we refer to words as strings. Alright, so anything that's between these double quotes is known as a string. So it's important at this stage to understand the difference between strings and numbers.